25 Strawberry Fun Facts. The average strawberry has 200 seeds. The majority of the roots are located in the top 3 inches of soil. Technically, berries have seeds on the inside and they don't come from a single ovary, so strawberries are really in a group all their own. Strawberries are the first fruit to ripen in the spring. Ancient Romans used the berries to treat everything from depression to fever and sore throats. Every plant is handpicked about every 3 days. The flavor is influenced by weather, variety, and ripeness when harvested. The perfect temperature for strawberry plants is between 55 and 78 degrees. 1 acre of land can grow about 50,000 pounds of strawberries. A strawberry flower averages 5 to 7 petals. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more exciting videos about other fun facts.